truth is, financing options and tax incentives make solar installation more accessible than ever. But there are still misconceptions that keep some homeowners from making the switch. Let's debunk a few common myths about solar energy. Myth number one, solar's too expensive. Many believe solar panels are too costly. The truth is, financing options and tax incentives make solar installation more accessible than ever. Myth number two. Another myth is that solar panels are ineffective in cloudy climates. In reality, solar panels can still generate energy on cloudy days. It's all about capturing valuable sunlight. Number three, solar requires too much maintenance. Some think solar systems require constant upkeep. In fact, solar panels are low maintenance, needing only occasional cleaning to keep them functioning efficiently. Solar energy is a smart investment for your home and the environment.